LEAD is a 10-month programme for developing business owners such as myself in leadership skills that are beneficial for staff and enhancing the growth of the business. Since going on the LEAD programme, I've developed and grown my senior management team to a level that has been necessary to sustain the growth of over 30% across all our market sectors. New approaches and techniques, developing skills of other business leaders through the action learning sets, which is a fantastic way for business leaders from other market sectors all getting together, sharing ideas and using their knowledge and some of their skills and techniques as your own when you're in certain meetings. What's fascinating about LEAD, certainly on things like the overnight experiential, where we're all out of our comfort zone, all networking, communicating, everything, all experiencing the same growing pains. And it fascinated me that a lot of the problems I share, that I have as a business owner, I share with a lot of my peers as well. So one of the weaknesses I had coming from the shop floor as an engineer and going into business was understanding the financial needs of an organisation. And through very powerful speaker sessions through LEAD, I was able to develop the tools necessary to generate a financial model that's powerful enough to monitor not only my overheads, but also the sales I'm going to need and the type of sales I'm going to need in order to grow the business further. Okay, when I first joined LEAD, my company was in a period of transition. I really needed to take risks and bigger steps in order to achieve our goal of growing from 5 million to 10 million pound turnover. What LEAD helped me do was bounce those ideas necessary in order to move myself to new premises, sustain the existing order book, grow another order book into new markets. And without the tools that LEAD provides, I wouldn't have achieved that goal a year ahead of schedule. If you're going on LEAD, go on it with a completely open mind. You only get out of LEAD what you put into LEAD. You've got to be there, you've got to be able to be open, you've got to be able to explain your businesses and your personal circumstances in great depth, because without that ability to offload, you can't upload the information that's fed back to you effectively.